Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, hot tubs dealer Mesa shares 3 tips to achieve a healthier lifestyle. Southwest Spas, a Mesa hot tubs, swim spas, and Dimension One spas dealer serving the Phoenix, Arizona area, is helping people to follow through with their New Year's resolutions and live a healthier lifestyle in 2015. Melinda DeLacus, manager of Southwest Spa, says, "The parties are over. It's time to get started on the new beginnings the first of the year promises, and to remember all those New Year's resolutions. Here are 3 ways to make sure a New Year's resolution for a healthier life works. Pick the possible. Of course, a new year and a new beginning makes it seem like anything should be possible. It can be fun to reach for the stars and make grand wishes, but if people really want to reach a goal, it is best to pick those goals that actually are within reach, even if it is a stretch. Set actual goals. A lot of New Year's resolutions don't even make a specific goal attainable. Many people vow to lose weight or get in shape. Those are both good ways to create a healthier lifestyle, but as a goal or resolution, they fall short. Instead of making a resolution to lose weight, make sure to set a goal for a certain amount. If it can't be measured, it isn't a good resolution. Create the right atmosphere with a Mesa hot tub. When making a goal to live better, it is best to create a healthy area to live. Adding a hot tub to the home is one of the best all-around ways to add a healthy atmosphere to everyday living. A hot tub offers an immediate luxury feeling for any area of the home. It provides a place where all members of the household can relax and soothe tired, sore muscles, get rid of daily tension, and develop closer bonds. DeLacus comments, to help local residents understand how portable spas, hot tubs, and swim spas can help improve overall health and well-being, Southwest Spas will provide free hot tub test soaks during the entire month. We want to encourage local residents to check out the benefits of a relaxing soak in the soothing waters of a hot tub for themselves. Consumers wanting to learn more about hot tubs or about the $500 wellness package with the purchase of a hot tub or swim spa this month are encouraged to visit the company website. For more information, visit the link below. And to learn more about this video news release, visit PRReach.com.